Hey guys, this is Thomas with Chattanooga Property Solutions. I am actually at our Birmingham Drive house. And as you can see behind me, we're about to tear this thing down. We're going to build 2 houses here, but it's exciting. Never torn a house down before, so I'm going to get you guys some film and show you what it looks like. Hey, good morning. This is Thomas with Chattanooga Property Solutions. It's a pretty exciting morning here. I'm at our house on Birmingham Drive that we bought. We are going to tear this house down. So I'm just going to walk you through, kind of show you what the house looked like, and then give you an explanation of what we're going to do with it. All right, so here's the inside. This was a very, very unfortunate situation. A gentleman lived here, just could not maintain the house. And you can see life just overwhelmed him. We were able to help him find a new place to live with the help of his sister, who was incredible. And now he is in a much, much safer area in a house. So the renovations were going to be too much to do here, and it just makes more sense. We're going to tear this down and build some new constructions. Yeah, here's the kitchen. You can see they've already started to clear out the trees here. We're going to have 2 houses here.